Well, the wiring in Thailand is definitely weird, very strange.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
It's so weird trying to find stuff. I mean, it just looks so different, everything. Hey. Look what Mom did. Good morning, everybody. Paige and Chuck here in ThatPhanom. Today is going to be a very busy day for me. What are you doing today? Clean your fish tank. Stuff we do at home. I'm gonna go to the golf course this morning, maybe. I think so. It's kind of a nice day. I may just go to the driving range. I gotta go spend some time with Mom. Got some chores I have to do over there. Spend some time with her. Talk about our up and coming adventure. Yeah, we're kind of in limbo right now with the house. We just got the plan, well, with the kitchen, I'll say, with the renovation of the kitchen saga. It's only just begun, but we just got the plans. So we're gonna take those up to another building supply place that has contractors to do the work, and see about having them come knock this wall down and put a window in. And we decided not to do the window, we decided just a screen. Actually, Paige said we don't need a window, we just need a screen, which is a good idea. So we'll have the person do the knockdown, the screen, and the removal of the kitchen. So we got to try to time it right. And we're kind of not sure when the stuff's gonna be here. But anyway, that's what's happening today. Good morning. Hey y'all, Chuck here with No Time to Be Sad. And this is my beautiful wife of 15 years, Paige. We downsized, saved, and liquidated to quit our lifestyle in America of living for things to a life of wherever it might take us. We moved to Thailand November of 2016. We currently live Thai style on the Mekong River in a town called ThatPhanom in the province of NakhonPhanom. This is my wonderful Thai family. Every day for us is an adventure, and we spend most of our time exploring and living for the moment. We know nothing lasts forever, and we try to enjoy every new day we have. I don't have time for things that really don't matter in my life, so there you have it. No time to be sad. Well, now I get to have a few cabinets that I can have up high so they can't reach them. I can put my egg pans up there. There's a lot of building stores like Global House, Home Pro, Mega Home, in Mukdahan and in NakhonPhanom. So we're just doing some price comparison before we buy stuff. We have to buy quite a few things. It is? Well, that's okay, huh?
60.
Well, the picture looked weird. So we're gonna, a lot of times they run sales and put promotion, they put stuff out front. So anyway, we got plenty of time to look. We're just gonna buy stuff at random. But either today or tomorrow, we'll go look in the Global House and probably take Mom. She likes to go do that. Plus I need to get her exercise, and well, she's been doing a lot of exercising actually. She's been doing a lot of running around. I'm linked to her taxi. We both, you know, like a group. So every time she goes somewhere, I know where she's going, but she's been going quite a bit. I know she gets bored sitting there, so. 50? 50's good. Well, I am here at the driving range, but there's nobody here at the driving range in NakhonPhanom. So this driving range is fairly new, but obviously I don't think it's very organized. I don't know, it's rainy season, so it's not busy here. Is probably the reason why nobody's here. And there's a gigantic dog outside barking non-stop. All right, let's go play some golf then. Happy Father's Day, everybody, all the fathers out there. Well, it's very weird. It's Monday. There's nobody here. Everything is locked up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I don't even see people on the golf course, but I know there's people here. There's one of the guys that bought my father-in-law's tuk-tuk, the red one over there. He's here, so he's got to be playing golf somewhere. Anyway, one of the caddy I had last time came up, asked me if I needed a caddy. I said, yeah. He goes, okay, I'll go get one. So I don't know, something's weird going on here. Anyway, I don't need them to be here to go play. I'll just, you know, I can pay after, or if they don't show up, I guess we got a free game of golf if somebody shows up to caddy. I don't have a trolley for my clubs, so I don't want to carry them around. Okay, I got a young caddy here. The other caddy just said this is not busy right now. They don't have a queue, and right now the driving range isn't open till like 10:30, and then they won't get here till about 9. So I guess this is how it is in the rainy season. I don't know. Anyway, it's cool. Got a boy. You know what Paige says about boys. It'll be fun. It's just practice. Okay, this is my caddy. Game. Yeah. Like game? Okay, I got a gamer. All right, here we go. No practice. Well, that's why I wanted to go to the driving range. He said that the driving range opens every day at 4. I guess that's the time most people come here, but I needed to practice. But anyway, I'm by myself. All right, I wanted to come practice my drive and learn how to plant my foot more on the left. Anyway, I haven't had time to practice. I still suck, so. I know there's water over there. And I hit the tree. That was a good drive though. It was okay, huh? Yeah. I just hit the branch. Oh shit. No. Oh well. Every time I come here, I was like, I wish I brought my fishing pole. But then I gotta remember I don't really have one. What would I catch in there, you know?
Okay.
Well, no bounce. No, the ground is like soaked. I planted it. That's a pretty good drive. If it wouldn't have been so wet, it would have probably been over here, huh? Yeah, it's okay. See him? The monitor. Well, I am at Mom's. I forgot everything. I got my mom a little purse to hold her phone, and I got some spray to spray up in the ceiling because she had a water leak. I forgot everything at home, so we'll be back a bunch of times anyway. I haven't seen Mom in like over 3 weeks. I know she's been busy because she's been calling her taxi quite often. Let's go see Mom. Well, here's Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hey.
Look what Mom did. She painted the whole wall, the whole thing by herself. First, she was going to wait for me, and then she said, well, I'll just paint the bottom part that I could reach. And then she climbed up on the dang ladder and did the whole thing. So looks really good. Much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
Home sweet home.
Yeah, no, we don't have all that.
What's this?
No, that's paint.
Oh.
That's a little roller with paint in it. I left it out in case you see things. I taped the corners, but I got this thing here and put it up against it and rolled it, and it worked. You know, they don't have those kind of tools they have in America.
Yeah.
You know, the corner tools and all that stuff they have. And so I found this. See, look.
You know what that's for? It's
a trowel.
Yeah.
I'm on trowel. See, I put it like this, and then I just painted it.
You could have got something probably, I don't know, well that's a good, probably what didn't cost you much anyway. So
no.
You couldn't tape it?
I did tape it, it didn't come out right.
I
got over here too much, so whatever. But I used this afterwards, I said I'm going to use that.
This is a Thailand Suburban. For those that don't know what that is, it's a big giant Chevy, I don't know what you'd call it, giant SUV.
Yeah, it's a family affair right there.
We're at Macro. That is crazy. How many mangoes do you got in here? 4?
Yeah.
60 baht. 60.5 baht. That's $2. Less than $2 actually.
Do I have to have these weighed?
I think so, yeah. Well, I got this stuff to, the mount to hang the TV on the wall to get it off of that area so they can tear down that little space for the bar. So I need to come in here and get some electrical stuff and maybe a long hole, like a concrete bit. I don't know if I have one long enough to go through the wall. I think this will get big enough to stick my cable and electrical through the wall. Yeah. It's so weird trying to find stuff. I mean, it just looks so different, everything. So I have a box and I'm just looking for the type that screw in. But I don't quite understand yet. I'm getting there, I think. All right, it looks like these just snap in that. And then you put it in the box. Yeah. Okay. Well, I am back home. I made about 5 trips into town today trying to find additional stuff. I want to get like a hanging TV, like, you know, like a little entertainment center type thing, just to mount under the TV, mount on the wall for little things, but I can't find it anywhere. So I'll order it on Lazada. So I've got pretty much, I think, everything I need to run the wire for the TV. I need to make sure my mount works on this TV. It's a little older style, so hopefully I got the right one. we'll see. My credit cards came today. Awesome. Happy about that. Yeah, I think this one's gonna work. I'm gonna mount it here. All right, there's already a plug here. I'm gonna tap into this wire and run it through the wall. Yeah. Yeah, okay, these things snap in here. You take the face off, it comes in half, and then you put it in there. All right, I'm kind of at a standstill. I need, the kit didn't give me the right size bolts for the TV. So, I got Paige running to the store to get me some. That's the final little thing here. I'll be running electricity up here all the way down there next. I need to move it over just a little bit. I'm gonna get the shelf for the bottom, but the bracket's adjustable. I just need to take the TV off and move it over because I got a block in the plug. Well, the wiring in Thailand is definitely weird, very strange. I just wanted to tap into the outsource wire coming from here, but now when I turn that switch off, the TV turns off. So tomorrow, instead of just tapping on that, I'm gonna buy some wire and I'll just run the wire directly to the damn main power source and be done with it. Be easy. Alright guys, gonna end today's video. We have a lot of stuff going on. Tomorrow I think I need to run the electricity for the refrigerator and the washing machine outside, because not tomorrow but the next day we have a contractor coming, and if we can agree on a price, he said he'll start right away. So we'll start getting everything tore out and cleared up in preparation for the cabinets to come. I think they're gonna come pretty quick. In a couple of weeks, I'm gonna be taking Mom and her friend to Udon, so I don't know, we'll see how it works out. But yeah, I think they like their TV. I think it looks better over there. My mother-in-law says that a couple of times this drunk guy, he comes and sits here and watches the TV, and my mother-in-law's like, get the hell out of here. So she's like, it's much better over on this side. But yeah, it's all coming together. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.